In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock a letterhead image in a Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Click on the Insert menu, go to the Header and Footer section, and select Header. Then choose Edit Header. Click the Header and Footer menu. Now, click Picture, choose your letterhead image, and click Insert. You'll see the image in your header, but the edges might not touch the borders. To fix that, right-click the image and select Size and Position. In the Size tab, set both the height and width to 100%. Next, go to the Text Wrapping tab and choose Behind Text. Then, go to the Position tab. Set the horizontal alignment to centered relative to the page and the vertical alignment to top relative to the page. Click OK. Now your letterhead image fits perfectly. Go to the Design tab and click Close Header and Footer, or simply click anywhere outside the header area. The image is now locked. It can't be moved or edited. If the typing cursor isn't in the right place, adjust the top margin using the vertical ruler. That's it. Your letterhead image is locked and ready to use. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.